DecaBDE is a toxic flame retardant that is found in plastics. It has been identified as a known carcinogen and is banned for importation into the United States. Likewise, it has been banned in several European countries. The EPA has recently enacted new laws to keep DecaBDE out of the United States and to punish those who try to bring it in. In 2019, Tricia, the European Remanufacturing Association, our sister association, undertook a study of the plastics that are used in the making of new build cartridges. They bought several cartridges off of the internet that they knew would be new build cartridges, and they had them tested for the percentage of DecaBDE that was in the plastic. Their report found high concentrations of DecaBDE. Now remember, when you put a cartridge into a printer, that cartridge is going to get heated up dramatically to 130 to 180 degrees. So some of that is going to escape. Some of the air that comes off of the plastic is going to escape into your office environment. I don't think you want to have DecaBDE floating around your office. In 2020, the International Imaging Technology Council, my organization, undertook a similar study here in the United States. We bought several cartridges off of Amazon and had them sent to Applied Technical Services, a lab in Georgia, where they were tested for DecaBDE. In several of the cartridges, the percentages of DecaBDE were through the roof, as high as 2,000 parts per million. Again, these cartridges are heated up, and some of this substance can be released into the air. That's why it's so important to buy truly remanufactured cartridges. In 2020, our sister association, Tricia, once again undertook another study. This time, they took a look at the toner that's in the cartridges that are being bought off of the internet. And they found high levels of other carcinogenic materials like benzene and cobalt, things that can contribute to serious respiratory illnesses. These cartridges are not just bad for the environment, they can be bad for your health. The aftermarket trade associations, like Tricia and ITC, are not the only ones that have taken a look at the toxins found in these Asian materials. They have discovered that there are a high level of toxins as well. Xerox has undertaken a study, as has HP and others, and their findings are just as alarming as ours were. These new build cartridges cannot be remanufactured. Their core is just not sturdy enough to withstand reuse. And frankly, with the intellectual property issues, no one wants to touch them. So as a result, some analysts say that as many as 375 million cartridges are ending up in landfills every year. That's over 1 million cartridges a day. And as a result, local governments have taken notice. In September of last year, the city of Los Angeles passed a resolution that bans the purchase of single-use plastic cartridges. The states of Connecticut, Massachusetts, California, and others are also considering single-use bans. And this summer, the federal government, through the General Services Administration, is looking at its purchasing power and also considering a ban on single-use cartridge purchases, and also considering giving remanufactured products a preference.